friends. Do you know what time it is? It's math carpet time, of course. And it's past hatch day, so it's chick day. Yay! Let's first take care of our calendar, though, okay? So we have a new month. It is now June. Welcome to June. And we have to put in our calendar piece, but we know nothing about the shape. The only thing we know is what number it will be. So do you know what number it will be? Right, 1. Mm-hmm. So let's get out the 1 and, oh, it is a solid shape called a cone. Huh. All right, so we'll put it in the calendar right there because today is Tuesday. So we're going to put the 1st on Tuesday. Yesterday was the 31st of May, and that was on Monday. So today is the 1st of June, and it's on a Tuesday. Because remember, not all months start on Sunday. So it is Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. Let's go say hi to Rocco. I think he's pretty excited. Hi, Rocco. How you doing? Okay, hold still. My goodness. All right. What's up? Yes, I know the chicks hatched. Yes, I know. We have 5 chicks. Yes, I know it's very exciting. You're very excited. You've been watching them. Okay, well, that's good. Oh, you're making sure that they get proper sleep. Well, that's a good thing. Well, yeah, they're babies, so they sleep a lot, right? Right, so they have to get proper sleep, absolutely. Yes, so you've been watching over them. Well, that's good. Yeah, so which one's your favorite? Oh, you like all of them. Okay, well, that's good. So do you know all their names? Bread and butter, exactly, uh-huh. And cupcake, yes. Brownie, uh-huh. You don't know the last one's name? Oh, it's applesauce. Yeah, I know. It's not the color of applesauce, but I kind of had that name in my head, and I don't know. It's applesauce. Yeah. Okay, applesauce it is. Well, anyway, did you want to count? Never count your chickens before they hatch. But they hatched. Right. So did you want to count, like numbers? Okay, so let's count. What are we counting by? Oh, we're going to count by 5s today. Okay. Can you help us out? Perfect. Oh, because we have 5 chicks. Okay. Sounds perfect. Let's count by 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What's the matter? You're not sure everyone's counting. Okay, are you counting, friends? Oh, they're counting? Oh, they're fine. Okay, apparently you're fine. Who's not counting? Well, the chicks don't know how to count yet. They're babies. They're only like 2 days old. Okay. Okay, well, maybe 4 days old. But anyway, yes, they don't know how to count yet. So you're just going to have our friends help you count today. Right, we will teach the chicks how to count. All right, friends, are you ready to start this again? All right, please help. Here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. Yeah, I know, it's kind of fun to do, isn't it? Oh, but you wanted to put in our cube. Okay, definitely. Yes, that's the other exciting thing this day. Yes, we are going to put in our last cube. Wow. That makes it so we get, woohoo, another tens rod. Wow. Okay, well, I'm going to have to grab one. Here we are. So we have 10 orange ones. So we're going to take off the 10 orange ones. and trade it for a green one. But of course, green ones don't go in there because that's not where 10s go. Have to move everybody over a little bit. There we go. I think we have some numbers to erase. Yeah. Because there's not 9 over there anymore. And we don't have 5. No. How many 10s do we have? Should be 6, shouldn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aha. We do have 6 10s. And 0 1s. No, I don't think it's 16D. No, Rocco, there isn't a 16D. No. No, it doesn't work that way because this is the hundreds place. So we have to say 160. Right, because if we cover up the 1, we have the number 60 left, right? Right, friends? Yeah. Oh, now that makes sense. Okay, good. Well, let's count it, and then we'll see, it'll make even more sense. Let's do it. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. There we go. 160 days. Yes. And we got to put in another 10 rod. Chicks hatching, 10s rods, it's a fantastic day. Hi, Timothy Tiger. So are you excited about the chicks too? Oh, you've been watching Owliver. Why are you watching Owliver? Oh, you want to make sure he doesn't eat any. Well, I don't think Owliver eats little chicks. No, absolutely not. Oh, Oliver, you think Timothy's going to eat them? Timothy, you wouldn't eat a chick, would you? No, I didn't think so. All right, well, it is nice to have some chicks, but did you want to tell time with us? Perfect. All right. So you come on down here and set the clock. Yeah, we don't have the incubator here anymore, but all right, are you ready? Perfect. So, Timothy Tiger says, what time is it? Well, just a minute. So we have our minute hand down here in the 30 position, right? And then we have our hour hand. Well, it's between the 1 and the 2. So is it 1:30 or 2:30? Right, it's gone past the 1, so it's hanging out here in 1 land. It hasn't even gotten to the 2 yet. So it's 1:30. How do we write that? Yeah, we'll put down a 1 and then ... and then 33 and a 0. All right, look good? All righty. Timothy Tiger, we think it's 1:30. We think right. All right, perfect. So would you like to set the clock again? You think you have time? All right, perfect. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, this was interesting. Okay. Are you good? Alrighty then. So, Timothy Tiger says, what time is it? Wow. Okay, just a minute, Timothy. We just are not going to panic. We're going to count by 5s, right? Right. Because our minute hand is not in the o'clock position. It's not in the 30 position. We're just going to have to count by 5s. So here we go. 5, 10. Oh. Well, that wasn't too hard, was it? So it's 10 after something. Let's see. Let's take a look at the hour hand. Well, it looks like the hour hand is pointing just past the 10. It's not exactly at the 10's mark, but it's just a little bit beyond. So it's hanging out here in 10 land. So it's 10, 10. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. All right, so 10, 10. How do we write that? Yeah, I think we definitely need a 10. So I'm writing a 10 and then a dot dot. And then another 10, right? Yeah, 10, 10. Kind of like this, right? All right. So, Timothy Tiger, we figured out that it's 10, 10. Fantastic job, he says. Why, thank you. You thought that one was pretty challenging, didn't you? Yeah, well, no, it had us puzzled for a minute, but we got it. We just didn't panic, and we counted by tens. Yep, absolutely. Well, thank you for telling time with us again today. See you next time. Hi, Clara. Hi, Jelly. I know, it is pretty exciting that the chicks hatched. Definitely very exciting. Yeah, so have you been watching them? You've been keeping an eye on them. But they're noisy. Well, yeah, they are. You're right, Jelly. They are pretty noisy. Sometimes they're really noisy. Yeah, have you noticed that sometimes they step on each other's heads? Yeah, that happens too. Yeah, they're still kind of learning how to use their feet. I mean, when you've been in an egg for 21 days, sometimes you have to kind of learn how to use your feet. So, yeah, they're still learning. And I'd like to say that they're going to get quieter, but they won't. When they get to be teenager chicks, they'll be really noisy. Yeah. Well, yeah, we just have to enjoy them. Yeah, they are cute and fuzzy, absolutely. But I see you brought us a game. Oh, I see. Well, you've been digging around looking for other games to play. Well, this looks like a fun game. So what do we have to do? We're looking for number sentences that go with these answers. I see. To make an equation. I see. All right, well, this sounds like fun. So, okay. I'm picking up one and it says 1 plus 2. So where would that go? 1 plus 2. Well, 1 more than 2 is 3, right? So it should go on this puzzle, right? Look at that. That's like a charm. All right. Let's take a look at this one. 10 minus 4. All right. I'm going to put the 10 in my head and I'm going to count back 4. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have a 3 and we have a 4. We don't have a 6. I think this one's an extra. Let's try this one. 2 plus 2. Yeah, I think that's 4, right? We'll attach that one to the 4 puzzle. There we go. All right, how about 10 minus 6? Oh, that's kind of like 10 minus 4. All right, well, let's do that. Let's see. We'll count back 6. So I've got 10 in my head. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Ooh. I think it goes on the 4 puzzle. You knew that, right? Absolutely. Okay, well, how about 10 minus 7? Oh, you're right. If 10 minus 6 equals 4, then 10 minus 7 will be 3, exactly, because it's just 1 fewer than 10 minus 6. Oh, aren't you smart? 10 minus 7. All right, there we go. How about 7 minus 3? Well, let's see. Let's count back, okay? We got 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, okay. That one goes on the 4. And let's see. This one should go over here, right? 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I think it does. 5 minus 2. Well, that was a fun game, Clara and Jelly. Yeah, that was really fun. You got more of these? Oh, they're saying they do. And other ones too. Ooh, sounds like fun. Well, we can't wait for the next one. Hi, Patrick Peacock. Did you bring more eggs? No, I didn't think so because kind of hatch day kind of happened. Yeah, actually, it's kind of 2 hatch days in a row because they didn't all hatch on the same day, right? So, what were you going to show us today? Oh, you'd like to show us the video of when Cupcake hatched? It was really cool, friends. I don't always get to see the hatching. Usually, I come down a little while later and I go, oh, look at that. There's somebody else in the incubator. Somebody else came out of their egg. But this time, I just happened to be here when Cupcake the chick came out of her egg. Take a look at this. Wasn't that cool, Patrick? Yeah, I kind of saw she was going to come out and I ran for the camera, but I didn't get there in time. So what we're seeing is just the first couple minutes that she came out of her egg. Yeah, she was kind of wet and slimy still. Definitely wet and slimy. But that's how chicks come out of their egg, right? They're a little wet and slimy. They don't know what to do with their feet, and they just kind of flop around. But once they get into the brooder and they get nice and warm under the light, they dry out and their down gets all fluffy, and yeah, then they look pretty cute, don't they? Yeah, I can hear them right now too. Well, thank you, Patrick, for sharing that with us. Oh, you've got one more? All right. Well, we'll wish our friends a happy counting day, and then you can watch a little bit of chick video.